Hi guys, my name is Harley Quinns, and as you can see, my hair is like Harley Quinns, but I just grow it a little more. I did not want it any blonde anymore on the way. So let's not talk about that because we need your help to build some pets. Some pets are gonna get born today, and I need your help. Okay, let's go. Okay. Guys, if you wonder where Harley Quinns is, she's right behind the box. Hello guys! Wow! So today we're gonna help Harley Quinns make this pet thing with this on it and this. It's just a small picture of it. And also, as you can see, there's hot dog. So we got this. So we got this big thing. What is it? Oh, look at all of these little pets. It's the directions.
Okay.
We can make cute little cheeks out of this.
Are these little rugs, or is that pet?
Yeah, I already saw that there.
Oh, the rugs, yeah.
Yeah, cute little rugs.
Pet beds.
Little pet beds.
Okay.
We get to choose what pets we like. So we're gonna choose the pets that deserve each one. Pink would mean the best. Purple would mean so-so, and blue would mean like I like it, but not fully as the others.
Here's a quick overview. Every pet you can make.
No, Daddy, go at the back. It shows all of the pets, Daddy.
On the back?
Yeah. You can see all of the pets, all of the cute little pets. You see the little cute little cats and all the dogs. Oh my gosh. So cute. I love cats and dogs. Oh my gosh. A puppy dog, a puppy dog, a puppy dog, a puppy dog. Why are you so cute?
Oh, you even get grass.
Wow, look at that. It's so real. Or you could turn it into rocks.
Yeah, it could be a road or grass.
I think it's safe to go on the road, not on the grass, so we're gonna go with the road.
Okay.
Just imagine you parked on grass. Actually, I like grass more because I like nature, guys. You know, nature is so beautiful. Oh, the flowers, oh my gosh. Roses!
Okay. Now, we're gonna follow the instructions for building the trailer.
I already got this. Oh wow, look at this.
Cute little doors. Okay, let's get to it. Let's pop all these. They come in these cards, so you gotta pop all the pieces out. Maybe I'll start popping them out. You start building them?
No, you start building them. I start popping them, okay?
Okay, that's a good idea. Let's get to it.
Pop.
Carpets are all set now.
Let's build a pet.
We'll push all the cardboard things off to the side.
Our first pet. Come on, let's do it.
Is this the one you want to do, the cat? The black cat?
No, this is the first one. So we have to do it.
Okay. You got to make balls that big. It tells you exactly how big they need to be. Okay, then go like that. That's too big, see? So then it takes some away. Roll it again. It's a neat way to do it. So
Daddy makes the really big noise, right?
that one, yeah.
Daddy's making the noise. I'm still rolling. Do you hear anything? No. Now Daddy's rolling.
I need to moisturize my hands. That's
See,
why.
look. He has a drier skin than me. I have such soft skin. Okay, those are good eyes.
It sticks to my fingers.
Use my nose. It's kind of shaped. But here's my nose.
So take the body and roll it into a cylinder like that.
Body.
On the placemat, darling. Thank you.
Roll it into something like this.
That's too squat. Yeah. Too long.
Yeah.
Too long.
It's very fluffy.
You want a body, not a skinny sausage. Okay?
You know, there is a sausage dog, so I might have to practice for that.
We'll try that. So that looks about right. And then there's the head
I don't even need to shape it.
Nope, you just stick it on. You need the ears. You're gonna make them into little triangles like this. You just roll down on one side more. Roll down one side.
No, that's how you make. That's how you make it. That's not how Artemis makes
No,
it.
there's instructions at the front of the book.
How do I make those?
There's instructions at the front of the book.
They're bigger than mine.
Look, you just roll one side like this. You see how it starts to get pointy? You just roll on the one side, and it starts to get pointy.
I made an ear.
Okay, and then you stick it onto the head, but he's looking sideways, so he's looking back at you. Okay, there you go. Good. Okay, so it has these like little split pins. They're just tiny little ones, and you use them for eyeballs. And then the last thing is the tail. Roll it into a snake and then run it along the front there from the butt. No, right here. You got the ball already for the tail. Just roll it into a bit of a snake and then run it from the butt, halfway up the body or 3/4 the way up the body. Don't roll it too long. That's probably good. There you go. Okay.
Kitty on a branch, kitty on a branch, kitty, 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 kitty on a branch.
There's the first animal. We're gonna put that on a cookie tray.
Can I do the beat music? I'm so good at music.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, you say? Can't you believe it? Muppet today? Hey, little pets. Look at those cute little pets go dance. Yeah, we're gonna say, hey, little pets are going around today. Hey, yeah.
Okay, so we got all the pets made.
And now we're gonna hop them in the oven.
We did some out of the book. We also invented some of our own, like the unicorn and stuff. And now we're gonna put them in the oven and bake them.
And this is just a poop that my dad made. Yeah. Hi everyone, as you can see, we already finished. On the way, we got everything done. As you can see, we got our unicorn, we got our bear. As you can see, we got a bear, we got a hamster, we got a kitty cat, we got a bunny, we got a dog, we got a dragon, we got a bird. I don't know, the bird looks pretty bad. I don't know if you would say it's good. It was kind of weird, I know. And then we got a hot dog dog. So this is real hot dog dogs. I don't know how to say it. Yeah. And then we got a Wendy. My grandma's dog's named Wendy. My dad tried to make one. And then finally we got a unicorn and a dragon. Oh my god. And for the food, of course, we got a candy for the unicorn. And my dad was pretty weird, but he made a poop. And then a bone, and then a carrot, and then a food bowl with some food and a drink. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. I'm gonna go back underwater again.